Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm cleaning my pool as I'm talking to you with the SMOROBOT. This model is SMOROBOT Tank X11. The SMOROBOT is a robot for pools. Pools can get really dirty, especially around the stairs. The kids are always dragging dirt in. Look at this mess. I made it even bigger than normal, just so you could see how powerful the SMOROBOT is. It's got a strong suction power. It has a 188 watt suction power that gets right to that, even though it is a battery charged robot vacuum. And the wheels have a feature of a scrubbing brush. It gets up dirt, leaves, whatever's in your pool and pulls it into the SMOROBOT into its filter. This was an extra heavy pile of dirt. I wanted to prove to you how powerful that vacuum suction power is. Look at those stairs now. You can see through the water how crystal white and beautiful it is, so inviting to use the pool when it's clean. The SMOROBOT Tank X11 can easily get up the sides, straight up, of pools. It likes to climb. It's on a mission. It can clean the tile and the waterline of your pool. It's made to do that. It has an internal advanced algorithm that's 10 times more efficient on cleaning an entire pool. With one battery charge, it can go 3.5 hours, which means it cleans about 1,200 square foot an hour of surface area, whether that's the side or the bottom of your pool. That's all surface area. So with the one charge, it will cover up to about 4,100 square feet. That's about the size of my pool here today. It's automatic, it's cordless, and it's so easy to use. It's under 20 pounds, so it's easy just to drop it in the pool. And right when it hits the water, it starts cleaning and keeps going until the job is done. It's a true set and forget robot pool cleaner. The SMOROBOT Tank X11 has an intelligent path planning feature. It does auto mapping. The robot's going to find its way to clean your pool in the most efficient way. The SMOROBOT Tank 11 can figure out any pool shape. The look and the design is really sleek with a high gloss plastic finish to it. The treads on the wheels are made out of a high quality rubber that's going to last. The wheels have scrubbers on them made with the same high quality rubber. Those scrubbers will go over the plaster of your pool and into the crevices to get up algae, dirt, sand, any type of debris that gets in your pool. It's scrubbing power that's made for that. Those rubber scrubbers have the power to get all of that up with the way they rotate on the SMOROBOT Tank X11. And when the SMOROBOT Tank X11 comes up to the surface area of the water, it knows to go just a little higher so it can get that water line. So you don't have the pool ring at the top. It will always clean that, leaving it sparkling, whether that's tile or plaster. Water lines would always make a pool look dirty, but the SMOROBOT Tank X11 is going to get that off and scrub them off so you don't have to. That's what I'm talking about. It comes right up, and it has an extra scrubber that's rubber. And it comes right up to the tile line, and it's scrubbing the tile line as it's suctioning out the dirt. That's amazing. It defies gravity. I find it very fascinating to watch, like it's my little pool pet. The mode switch on the top of the SMOROBOT Tank X11 has a standard mode and a fast mode. It knows to program itself for 3.5 hours to do that heavy-duty cleaning in standard mode. If you want a quick clean, let's say you have company coming over, just push the mode to the fast mode, and that will be quick and light cleaning and get your pool ready for those kids to jump in. The SMOROBOT Tank X11 can be put in a pool many different ways. I tried them all. If you put it in a slant, that's probably the best way, because it releases the air that's in it so it can get to the bottom faster. If you just plop it in, you can do that. It might float for a while because there's air in it, but eventually it'll get down to the bottom of your pool. The SMOROBOT Tank X11 can go to depths of 9.8 feet. That's almost 10 feet. Well, this pool is only 9 feet at the deep end. And most family swimming pools that are built in do have a depth of 9 feet. That's a very standard configuration. This cordless, safe, battery-operated pool cleaner will just keep going to find all the debris in your pool. It's a worker. It will continue and work and work and work until it runs out of batteries, and then it ends up at the side of a pool. And then you know it's done its job and it's time for a recharge. It's truly an amazing pool vacuum. I've had a lot of pools in my life, and they always had all these cords and everything you had to deal with. But the SMOROBOT Tank 11X is amazing. It's just one and done. You just put it in. How simple is that? Here's the off button, so you can just turn it to off. It has a medium speed and a fast speed. And once it's flashing yellow, it goes right back in the pool. And if you want to retrieve it, there's a couple ways of doing it. You can use a pool net by taking out your net and inserting the plastic hook it comes with till it clicks in. I'm going in to get it with the hooker. So I just go fishing with my hook. I caught a big one. What a big fish. Okay, and off. And the SMOROBOT Tank X11 also comes with this little rope. Let me show you how that works. It comes with a loop. You pull the loop open, you put it through the handle, and you slip the floater through it and pull it, tighten it, and you just drop it in and throw in the float. And when it's done cleaning, it knows to come home. It'll come to the edge of the pool, so you can just grab the hook and pull it out. Voila! And after you use it, it's so easy to clean the filter. So you just pull the lever and open the top. Here is the filter. This is a standard filter. And look it, that's all the stuff it gets. It even got this big, large leaf. Wow. So just give it a dump and put it back in. So now I'm just going to put it back on the charger for 3.5 hours and it's ready to go. If you buy the model that has a supercharger, it's done in 1.5 hours and it'll clean for 3.5 hours. That's a lot of power. My SMOROBOT Tank X11 was delivered to my door. I brought it onto my kitchen counter so I could show you what the box looked like. It was beautiful. The design of the box was so nice. It'd be great to send this as a present to someone who has a pool that's dirty. I opened up the box and then I took everything out and I laid it with all the packaging on my counter because I wanted you to see how well they had packed and designed the packing of the box in order for nothing to get damaged during shipping. So there you have the SMOROBOT Tank X11, the big module. That's the robot vacuum pool cleaner. You have the charging station. It comes with the floating ring, and it has a plastic piece that becomes a hook that attaches to any long pole that you have, or like your leaf baskets and things. You detach that and you put that on like I did in the video. There is a filter basket that comes already within the robot itself. Now that's the standard filter basket. Then they also give you an extra basket. That's an extra fine filter basket. Now that's really good for algae and sand and fine particles if that's what you get in your pool. I like that it came with two. It's always nice to have an extra. To charge it, you unscrew the round protective cap that's on your robot vacuum and simply plug in the end of the charger. The other end goes into any standard 110 volt household outlet. The standard charging takes 3.5 hours, but they also have a particular model with the fast charging 1.5 hour. Now remember to re-screw the cap on when you pull out the charging plug. And remember, after you take it out of the pool and you want to charge it again, make sure that part is extremely dry. You don't want any water to mix with electricity. That's a no-go. I really found that the SMOROBOT Tank X11 was a very fantastic pool cleaner. I love this new technology of how I can charge it and just put it in my pool when I want my pool clean. It does not need an app. That is brilliant. It knows how to clean and how to map itself without me having to tell it anything. It can figure out its cleaning task. And don't forget that the whole purpose of your clean pool is to have your friends and family enjoy swimming in it. So click the link below to get your SMOROBOT Tank X11. I'm Rebecca Brand. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is a great recipe to have fun in a very clean pool with SMOROBOT Tank X11.